In this tutorial, you will learn how to clean the printer. Eject the media cartridge if present. Set the power switch to off. Disconnect the power and interface cables from the printer. Using a can of compressed air, blow dust and debris out of the printer's media slot. Do not use an air compressor. It will leave microparticles, contaminants, and oil that can ruin your printer. Turn the printer over a waste bin and shake any loose debris out of the printer. Use a pre-saturated wipe or dampen a wipe with an approved cleaning agent. Gently wipe all surfaces thoroughly. Do not pour or spray any cleaning agent directly onto the printer.